Guys, this is going to be a quick video. This side mirror is broken on this car, so I bought another one and going to replace it. And it's going to be quick as it's going to start to rain here very shortly. So we need to remove this. Be careful with this one here. 10mm. Okay. Forget about it. Oh boy, start raining. Okay, let's test it out. Okay. Okay, it works. So we'll put it back together. Alright, close the window. And we are done. It's solid there. Alright, so I got granted access to the backyard for the junkyard here. Usually this is a tough thing to do in Iowa because it's most of the junkyards are, they pull the parts for you, and you are not allowed to be in. But I wanted to be sure, for the exact color, if I'm getting something close enough for what I'm looking for. So they let me in. Oh, convertible Toyota Corolla. Ha! Anyway, I think this is the car I'm looking for. Yep.